Hello everyone, my name is Raja Sardar and today I am going to tell you about my third project, which is a superstore, and I'll explain step by step how I completed that project. So don't worry, and today is this is the dashboard which I made. This is completely a responsive dashboard, this one. So I'll show you how responsive this one. So if I would like to see the the state of California, what is the business status? So like this, if I click on California, I can see that there are 457.69 thousand sales are there, and profit is 76.38 thousand. So and total quantity sold is 7,667. It's completely responsive. You can check from here. So in California, number of copiers sold 1.445 thousand. Number of chair sells 0.485 thousand. Number of bookcases is 0.530 thousand, and these all the average sell. And okay, so if we'll see the region wise, so in the as let me check. Okay, so the region wise, we can see that central region no sell, south region no sell, but in blue part, that is western region, 26.67% profit earned by this company in this western region. So you can see that completely responsive. If I will move to New York, and if we'll see how map is moving automatically. So in New York City, if I'll check, there is 4,224 quantity product sell, where number of copiers is 2.457 thousand, chair is 0.614 thousand, like that. So we can see that that product is sold in three segments, like number one is customer base, number two is home office, and number three is corporate office. So uh, we can see that in New York City, maximum number of the maximum segment, that is 7.63% area is covered by consumer. That means consumer ordered all that products. Maximum number of customers orders from New York City. Okay, and all the ship modes are like same day delivery, first class delivery, second class delivery, and standard delivery. So you can also check the percentage with the sales amount. You can also check. So like this, if we go by region, directly go by region, then if we will click on western part of United States, see the logo of that part, it is showing that the western part of the America, North America. So it is showing that in western part, the number of sales uh, that happens is 725.46 thousand dollar, and the quantity is 12,000 products already sold in western part, and copiers is 1.99 thousand, chairs are 0.492 thousand, bookcases are 0.45 thousand, like this. And in that western part, if we'll say the sales by ship mode, that is the maximum sold there, that is 1.41 million. Okay, so is okay. So the sales by category, so you can see that western region, the product are ordered, that is furniture, office supply, and technology, where the furnitures are 252,000, and office setup is 220.85 thousand, or the technology is 251.99 thousand. So you can see how responsive all the parts are. So like this, if we want to check Texas, Washington, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Michigan, Florida, Ohio, see, all are moving, all are responsive. So Georgia, Kentucky, Indianapolis, then Ohio. So all the states are showing, all are responsive, all are completely responsive. So this is the project which I made, which I completed for the Sparks Foundation. And here, first of all, this design, if you want to know how I did this design, so I'll tell you how I did this design. Look, see, so if I click on this part, so after clicking this part, let me open the visualization part. And when it opens the visualization part, so let me create the format your visuals. Now data label, bars, zoom slider, grid lines, so all are present in this option. So if you will check carefully, plots and background, all the things are there. Okay, so you can modify as per your requirement. So if I'll click on this bold, I already bold that part. So if I'll off the bold part, you see this value is coming normally. If I'll give bold, see it is coming bold. So you can modify whatever you want. Okay, so let me show you one more thing, that is vertically dotted. Okay, so this one you can change as per your choice, that is dotted, solid. If you want, you can make solid part. If you want it is dashed, then it is dashed part. So whatever you want, I mentioned like dotted is very decent look. Okay, so in general, let me show you the effect part. Visual border, this is the option. If I'll click on visual border, see, if I'll off this border, then this there is no design is coming, it's completely rectangle shape is there. So if I'll give, if I'll put is on condition, and the cornering is full 30 pixel, then it will come like this. Okay, so this is the procedure why how I completed this project. And this part is for average sale by subcategory. So for that case, let me show you how I did this. And okay, so in y axis it is subcategory, see, subcategory in y axis, and x axis it is average sales, that is the x axis is average sales. So how I did average, average is the technique, like if you click on this option, I can mention like sum. If I'll do the summation, then the different option is coming. But in average, if we'll find, if we want to find, then let me show you. Let me click on the average. Yes, this is the average sales for the particular categories, like chairs, copiers, appliances, binders, art. So like this. Okay, so the same thing I completed. So for this part, okay, this is there here. For that case, I selected that um, bar chart, and this, for this option, this for top four options, I selected that cart option. And let me show you. For this visualization, I selected the tree map part, where I can select each and every um, cities and states, and I need to check whether which state how much sales is there. So this is the thing how I did, and this is the last thing is sales by state in the map. The complete map is there, and I complete that, and I did this by clicking field map, and I changed the color over there, and by doing editing from a visualization part. Okay, so if we want, then we can zoom in here, zoom in more, we can zoom out like this. Okay, so one special benefits we can do, like these options, the rectangular select. Like if we'll click on that, and if we want to know the particular part, like if I wish to know that this part what is the sales report is there, so let me drag that part. See, all the information is coming from that part, so it will show the complete business status from this part. Again, if we want to know the here how much businesses are happen, see how much business every information is completed from this slides. So thank you very much, and see, this is the complete project, and let me show you. See, this is the entire cell in United States of America, where the total number of cells is 2.3 million. Here total profit is $286.40 thousand, where total quantity was 38,000, and total number of subcategories is 17, where the sales by category diagram is there, and where furniture, office supplies, and technology products are there, and sales by segment, that means how many consumers are buying this product, how many corporate office personals are buying these products, and how many office office products, home office product personals are buying these products. If I'll hover on the part, then they are giving the information that is home office is 18.7% sales are giving from office sales, home office, and from consumer it is giving 50.56 percentage of sales. So like this, the entire project I completed for the Sparks Foundation, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.